BJP Rajya Sabha MP Subramanian Swamy today slammed Home Minister Amit Shah over the massive tensions caused during protest across the country against Trupur Sharma. Rest of India today is looking like Kashmir. We have instead wanted Kashmir to look like the rest of India. Has Amit Shah as Home Minister any clue about a solution? If the situation does not come under control in the next 48 hours, should Shah remain as Home Minister? Modi's call, he tweeted. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday met his former school teacher from Vadnagar in Gujarat's Navsari. PM Modi is on a one-day visit to Gujarat. During his visit, he will inaugurate several projects. PM Modi will participate in the Gujarat Gaurav Abhiyan and inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of development initiatives worth rupees 3,050 crore at Khudvel, a tribal region in Navsari. Thousands marched in Bangladesh's capital city Dhaka today in protest against the BJP leader Nupur Sharma's comments on Prophet Muhammad in a TV show. Hundreds walked the streets near the main Baitul Mukram mosque in downtown Dhaka after Friday prayers raising slogans against the Indian government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Protesters all gave a call to gherao the Indian embassy on June 16th. The counting for Rajya Sabha elections in Maharashtra was delayed on Friday evening after the BJP raised objections to the votes cast by 3 MLAs of the ruling Mahavikas Aghadi, alleging violations of rules. The counting has been held up, a state legislature official said. Cabinet Minister Jitendra Awad, Yashomati Thakur and Sena legislator Suhas Kande violated the model code for voting. We have made an appeal before the Election Commission of India seeking that their votes be held invalid, said a state BJP leader. A police constable posted at the Bangladesh Deputy High Commission in Kolkata fired multiple rounds before shooting himself dead today. A woman who was hit in the firing reportedly died. The Kolkata police constable Chodu Lepcha had been on leave and had joined duty today, the city police chief said.